Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to open a real account in MetaTrader 5. First, go to your Chrome and search up deriv.com and then click on Login and then click on the sign up button at the bottom to make an account. Here you can use your Gmail. Now I will use my Gmail. Now simply wait for it to load up and after that, your account has been made, but it is only a demo account. Now what you need to do is press on the demo button and click on Reel. Wait for it to load up. Here you need to input some details about yourself. For example, this account currency, I will pick US dollars. And here on personal detail, you need your ID. And after you input the following details that are needed, your real account will be made. And after that, go to MetaTrader 5 and then click on the three lines on the top left and press on Manage Account. And here, click on the plus button at top and then search up Deriv and click on the first link and sign in or log in your Deriv account. And that's basically it.